So starting the test drive in this Elantra SEL Sport, it's it's a small car. It's a 4-door sedan, basically a compact, subcompact car. I like how it drives. You have the 2-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder and a variable transmission, so it is what it is. And for 27 grand, I'm not complaining. But it does have a weird way of driving. It's not like driving a Sonata with an 8-speed automatic. It doesn't feel, let me put it this way. It's hard to get used to how this car drives. It's just kind of basic transportation. That's why it gets 30 miles per gallon city, 40 highway. But it's hard to really know this car, what it's gonna do, shift points, things of that nature, because it's a variable transmission. All right, so we're gonna put it into the sport mode. Gonna give it a pull here, getting on the interstate, and luckily no one's around me. Here we go. So it wasn't flooring it by any means, but that's how you kind of want to drive the variable transmission cars anyway. All right, so we have the cruise set here with the lane keeping system. I want to give a huge thanks to Hyundai of Cool Springs here in Franklin, Tennessee for allowing me to review this car today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But it's it's a solid commuter car, I think, in terms of the space you get here, the features you get. You get blind spot monitors here. You have the lane keeping system, and it's closer to lane centering than it should be, which is, depending on who you are, that's a good thing for me. But it's just kind of hard to have lane centering on and then you don't have adaptive cruise, but not like an issue, just something that I noticed. But in terms of what you get for the money, I mean, this is a solid deal. It's less than 27 grand. You have Bluetooth, CarPlay, Android Auto. Again, the lane keeping system. And with the SEL Sport trim in particular, a really good looking car on the outside. And the car, it's just, again, it's simple transportation. It's easy to maneuver, it's easy to drive. It's kind of fun to drive as well. It's it's a sport Elantra. That's what you expect from it. It's not necessarily an N-line, whatever, but in terms of the looks and in terms of it being just a compact car, it's what you see is what you get. It's the best way to put it. So it's a really good option in my opinion. So this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Hyundai Elantra SEL Sport.